Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I'm gonna talk with you about a project called FATHOM. Yeah, not Phantom, it's called FATHOM. Why? I don't know. So it's pretty new and I'm gonna talk with you about does it make sense to invest or to consider this project. Okay, so first of all guys, let me show you. Imagine a new system of tokenomics where the selfish actions of individuals benefit the community as a whole and the individual is justly rewarded for their contributions. So basically guys, you know, all of these projects that offer you a high daily ROI or whatever, yeah, how do they work? They need new investors to come in to pay the existing investors, okay? So always bring in new people. It's like a Ponzi, okay? Bring in new people. Based on this, you get your rewards if you are a current investor, okay? So it says a completely new system called stable staking that fairly rewards existing and future stakers while encouraging holding, okay? Let's keep it short, guys. Every 50 minutes, a wave of phantom from our massive rewards pool called the ocean is sent to the stakers, okay? Just keep it short, guys. Of course, sustainability. The FATHOM ecosystem puts our taxes to work by creating external revenue streams that are used as buybacks to replenish the FATHOM given as rewards. So how does it work exactly? They don't tell you exactly how it should work. The interesting thing is, let me explain to you guys how it would work or how it should work. First of all, let me show you. As of right now, the daily ROI is 0.487%. Now the question is this sustainable? Okay, I will show you guys, stick with me. 75% of all generated buy, sell and staking tax is used to purchase revenue streams. What kind of revenue streams? How do they work? Who knows? So guys, usually I'm not a fan of any project like this because usually they disappear or they just go to zero or somehow close to zero. Let me show you guys. It works, it's on the Binance Smart Chain and you invest your BNB and for this you get the FATHOM token or the mass token, whatever the name is, yeah? And for example, let's say you invest $100, you get the equivalent amount of FATHOM, okay? So then you get this daily ROI of about 0.48% as I've shown you before. That means, let's say, okay, today or let's say 2 weeks ago you bought for $100 this FATHOM token, okay? And every day you get 0.48%, let's say, okay? So that means, let me show you guys what happened to the price. What happened here? As you can see, it's pretty new, 30th January it started. Let's say you invested here, the price was 0.008. And now, guys, let's see, what is the price today? 0.0018. So, for example, if you invested $100 here, your investment right now would be less, guys. So you would lose about 75% or so. So roughly, you can do the math yourself. But so let's say you've gained 0.48% daily for about, let's say, 2 weeks now. But the price of the token went from 0.08 to 0.018. So you lost money, guys. Why is it like this? Usually, the more tokens are in the circulating supply, the lower the price gets. So would I tell a friend or suggest a friend to invest in this project? Of course not, guys. Of course not. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to show you those projects and yeah. Guys, my prediction is I would say the price will get lower and lower and lower and it will just diminish or it will just disappear. It will just disappear. So my advice is don't invest in this project. As you can see, just in 2 weeks the price went down a lot. So they always, I mean, they would have to do a lot of marketing, bring in always new people to make the price somehow sustainable. But as you can see, guys, yeah, always do your own research, but I would not suggest any friend to invest in this project, okay? So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments and see you.